Hey guys, today we've got an awesome project lined up, building a 2x2 video wall with our 65-inch Zenty displays and mounts. Now I know what you're thinking, this sounds complicated, but trust me, it's easier than you might think, especially if you follow along with our step-by-step guide, so let's dive right in. Step 1. First things first, let's get organized. We're laying out all the tools we'll need, a drill, level, tape measure, and of course the mounting hardware that comes with our Zenty mounts. It's important to have everything ready before we start, so we're not scrambling for tools in the middle of the process. Step 2. Next up, we're going to attach the mounting hardware to the backs of all 4 TVs. This is pretty straightforward, just follow the instructions that come with our mount. We had a lot of fun with this part and it really gives you a sense of progress seeing the TVs ready to go. Step 3. Now that our TVs are prepped, it's time to measure the walls where we'll be mounting them. Precision is key here, so we're double checking the measurements to ensure that everything is lined up perfectly. This step seems a little tedious, but trust me, getting this right will make the rest of the installation a breeze.
I'm gonna leave one.
Step 4. With our measurements done, we can go ahead and install the mounts on the wall. We're using the same careful approach here, making sure that everything is level and secure. Once the mounts are in place, we'll be pretty much done. Step 5. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for, mounting the TVs. This is where everything comes together. We're lifting each TV onto the respective mount, making sure that they're securely attached. Once they're up, we'll step back and admire our work. And there you have it, folks, a 2x2 video wall with the 65-inch Zenty displays all set up and ready to go. It was a straightforward process and the end result is stunning. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.